Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the dictionary on your ONYX Boox Go 6. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Apps tab, and then we're going to go to the dictionary. So press on the dictionary app, and this is the dictionary where you can search up words that you want to find the meanings of. So let's just test it out by typing apple, then hitting search, and this is where you can see it explains pretty much what the apple is, so basically how the dictionary works. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.